once you have created your Microsoft Intune account, by default, this Microsoft 365 Admin Center will be created automatically anyway. But if you remember, once when we were creating Microsoft Intune free trial account, they were asking at the beginning for the card, the payment card. So we put all the information there, and then we create the accounts. So after you have created, and if the purpose of creating of Microsoft Intune account is for free trial, and you're using just for a project, then you need to remove your payment methods from the tenants. So in case you made like any kind of mistakes to buy something else, once you have buy something, then it will charge you. But if you prefer to remove your card from the tenant, then that's the way. You need to come to Microsoft 365 Admin Center through this URL admin.microsoft.com. Once you're here, we do have this option billing and then bills and payments. And then we have this payment methods. So I have already removed my card from this tenant, but this is the way. Here, the card will be shown for your tenant, and then you just click the card, and the delete option will be visible for you, and just delete and next, and it will be deleting. So you can just remove or delete your payment methods afterwards from here. After creating an account, you need to double check your Microsoft Intune account, whether the MDM authority is set to Microsoft Intune or not. This MDM authority should be Microsoft Intune. So you need to double check in Microsoft Intune Admin Center. I'm going to Microsoft Intune Admin Center. This is the one, and then clicking on tenant administration. We have tenant status, and here you can find MDM authority. So it's already Microsoft Intune. If it's not, then here a yellow button will be shown, and then you just click on it and go ahead with the selecting of the MDM authority to Microsoft Intune, and it will be like this. So you can select it from this one. You need to click Intune MDM authority and choose, and that's it. So this is like most important stuff to set up or setting up your Microsoft Intune Admin Center. The other thing is, if you're not using Microsoft Intune as a free trial and you would like to add some more domains in your tenant, then you can add the domain through Microsoft 365 Admin Center. And that's, if I open this one, Microsoft 365 Admin Center, here you can find settings and domains. Right now, for this free trial Microsoft Intune tenant, I have just this one, Microsoft default one, because when it's default from Microsoft side, you will see this on Microsoft.com stuff with your domain. But if you'd like to add your custom one, then you can just go ahead with the add domain, and there you will be like they will be asking for some information to fill in, and you can find this video as well helpful because it shows you the whole process. It's not that much difficult, just next, and then finish. And one main thing is the custom domain you're adding here should be already existed. So the domain should be existed already in hosted somewhere, and then you can add it from here. Just put your name, next, connect, and they will be asking some TXT cards or other stuff. And at the end, you just click the finish button. And once it's finished, then it will be visible here. And then you can just change your default domain to your customer. So yeah, this is how we can create a Microsoft Intune Trail account. You saw that when we have created the Microsoft Intune Admin Center, I mean Microsoft Intune Tenant, this will create automatically. So like all these are connected. So you can have Microsoft 365 Admin Center in even Microsoft Intra. So you can work with user management, group management, in all these kind of stuff. So yeah, this is how we can create a Microsoft Intune tenant for our free trial project.